so I saved you guys the bore of me putting this engine together, and I have it like 3/4 of the way started up right now. It is bled out. I have fuel going up to the injectors, and it is starting to kick a little bit. I just really hope that my injection pump is in time, but I'm going to keep trying it here until it actually starts, hopefully. Here's a little bit of starting fluid, even though I probably shouldn't. that's good enough for now. See if it fires right back up.
Oh,
Alright, there she is for now. There is a hole in my radiator, but my fan setup that I put on is actually cooling it right now. I think it needs some motor mounts. Everything's rattling, but it's running good. It's running right around 180 degrees. It needs some hydraulic fluid because these two cylinders down here need repacked. But as you can see, throttled up. We got full up, full down. You can see the cylinders are just dripping shit out of them. I don't want to run it too much without hydraulic fluid, but still works. And all the directions work. There went my door. But she's actually pretty tight, runs good. I just got to get a radiator and fix some hydraulic leaks, which I knew was going to be an issue. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it needs motor mounts too, because that engine's shaking like crazy. I have the fans directly wired up to the battery. So they keep going. I have them set up on those adjustable thermostat switches, which I have them just cranked all the way open right now. That way they were on the whole time. But I even put nice little weather pack connectors on there, made little wire loom harnesses go down to there, and then they both just run right off the battery. That way they stay running even after you shut it off if it's too hot, which might end up getting annoying. I'm not sure yet. I might find a key ohm wire to run them off of. There's not very many electrical things in this unit. It even has a manual kill switch. Pretty much everything's all mechanical, so just really your lights and glow plug module is the only thing that really runs off the key. But she starts right up. It was losing prime on the fuel, but I figured out I had a leak in the line that went up to the injection pump. So pretty much now just got to work the bugs out of it and start using it. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.